Here are 4 ways to create links in Excel. You can link cell to cell, sheet to sheet, file to file, and app to app. Let's see how it's done. To link to a cell, click where you want the link to live, then press equal, click your target cell, press enter, and the cells are linked. To link sheet to sheet, go to the sheet you want the link to live on, type an equal sign, then go back to your source, click your target cell, press enter, and now you have a link across sheets. To link file to file, first open both files, then click View, Arrange All, Tiled. This will place your files next to each other. From there, type an equal sign in your destination file, then go back to your source file, click on a cell, press your enter key, and now you have a link across files. To link app to app, let's say Excel to PowerPoint, first copy what you want, then go to PowerPoint and choose Paste, Paste Special, Paste Link, click OK. Now, when your source data changes, it will update in PowerPoint. One word of caution: if you create links across an app, make sure the source file doesn't move because things will not cooperate. Sorry, just trying to help. If you like this video, please feel free to share it and make sure to follow for more tips.